Right here, I have the Snail X portable foot massager machine, and as you slide your feet in here, it is so comfortable. On the top here, you have the power on and off. It'll need the feet, so that's the massage. You also get the air, so it'll just like tighten up on your feet and then let go in certain sections. You got the vibration and you also got the heat. So I'm gonna turn this on. As you turn it on, all of the settings will just come on immediately and you can adjust them. We got low, medium, and high. This is so relaxing. I mean, coming home from a long day and just throwing your feet in here, really quick, really easy. You don't gotta bother your wife, your husband for a foot massage. You just throw your feet in here, have a good time. It feels amazing. I love the heat on here too. You can turn that off, so it's just really nice to have that. Different vibration levels you can have. Turn it all the way up. You can turn things off too, so if you don't like the vibration, you can turn that completely off, and that's said for every single one of these. Makes this really practical and easy to use. I find myself using all the features depending on what I'm doing that day. If I walked a lot, if I was on my feet, if my feet are a little bit sore, you can change the settings and adjust it. Also, you can remove the inside lining here too, and you can wash these, so it'll keep it really hygienic and clean. Really nice portable machine. You can just take this with you on a trip, throw this in your car. You can move this around in different rooms in the house because it's nothing that's too heavy. You also get a pretty long cord too. I would say the cord is probably 4 feet long, so you can definitely just put this at an outlet, sit on your couch and be comfortable. But I love the way that this feels. It's really nice, super comfortable. My feet feel so refreshed after I'm using this. I highly recommend this if you're looking for a foot massage. This will make an amazing gift for anybody, surprise, birthday present, or just to say, I'm thinking about you. Anybody is gonna absolutely love this, and I can't give this up. I'm using this thing every day now and highly recommend it. Add this to your cart today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.